Hello, my name is Travis Kimball, one of the founding partners of Quack Car Wash. We're here in beautiful Palm Springs, California, celebrating the grand opening of our first Palm Springs location. It's our 8th in the Coachella Valley, but it's our first in Palm Springs, and we couldn't be happier to be here. We're kicking it off with 12 days of free car washes. Please come visit us here on Vista Chino Boulevard in beautiful Palm Springs.
At the Quack in Palm Springs on Vista Chino till 7 o'clock tonight, doing a fundraiser for a local family that has really just had a tough year.
Super excited to be here in Palm Springs. We've been saying for years we're in Palm Springs, but now we are really in Palm Springs. People love our unlimited memberships. They love our team, but we also like to show love to our community and to our customers. Welcome to Quack Car. What time did you get here this morning?
4:30.
4:30 in the morning, and why would you get here so early?
Best place to come.
Well,
Best place to come.
welcome to our grand opening. We're going to give you a year free of car washes. There you go.
Thank you so much, Travis.
Yeah, congratulations.
All right.
And what do you like about Quack Car?
You guys are the best. All the other guys should pack us all the time. No, really, you guys are the best. For many years I've been here, you guys are always doing a wonderful job on the car.
Well, thank you very much.
I mean that. Really.
One night without a safe shelter is one night too many, and so we decided to do a fundraiser last night for the Mangione family. They were here the whole time, waving, smiling, holding signs, and thanking the community. And so today we're pleased to present a check to them for $3,000.